I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system software file and getting into safe mode right away. Copy the official Ps4 update. PUP into a Ps4/update folder on a FAT32 or XFAT USB drive. This naming and path matter for the console to detect it. Once done, fully power off the Ps4, connect your DualShock with a USB cable, then hold the power button for about 7 seconds until you hear the second beep. This forces safe mode, so you can run the reinstall procedure. You now perform the actual reinstall. In safe mode, choose the option to reinstall system software, initialize and reinstall. When the console prompts, insert the USB drive containing Ps4 update. PUP. The file size will typically be around 900 megabytes or larger for full firmware packages. Make sure you confirm the prompt and allow the Ps4 to copy and install the file. This step verifies and writes system partitions. Once started, do not unplug the USB or cut power, because you finish by completing the initial setup and restoring content. Once the reinstall completes, follow the on-screen prompts to sign in, restore any backups, and update online if needed. Make sure saves are synchronized if you use cloud storage. If the console reports it cannot find the file or shows an error, check that the file name and Ps4/update path are exact, reformat the USB to XFAT or FAT32, and try a different USB port or drive. This fixes most detection and corruption issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.